Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best miter saws that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional woodworker or just tackling DIY projects, I've got something here for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Miter Saw Laser Guide by Iconiv. This product is an accessory rather than a full miter saw, but it's a great add-on for enhancing precision in your cutting projects. The standout feature of this laser guide is its Type-C rechargeable interface, which eliminates the need for disposable batteries. It charges in just 15 minutes, making it incredibly convenient for quick setups. The automatic laser activation feature is also a thoughtful touch. It powers on and off with the saw's rotation, saving you time and effort during use. In terms of design, it's lightweight and compact, making it easy to install on a wide range of miter saws. It projects a bright, clear red laser line that enhances accuracy and safety during operation. However, it's worth noting that this is more of a supplemental tool rather than a standalone solution, and its performance depends heavily on the saw it's paired with. While it's incredibly affordable at $19.99, its niche functionality limits its use cases. It's great for hobbyists or DIYers looking to improve their cutting precision without breaking the bank. However, professionals may find it lacking in robustness. Pros include affordability, laser accuracy, and quick charging. Cons are limited functionality and dependency on a compatible saw. Coming in at number 4 is the Craftsman V20 cordless sliding miter saw. If portability is your top priority, this battery-powered miter saw is a fantastic option. It's powered by a 20V lithium-ion battery, allowing you to make up to 585 cuts in MDF baseboards on a single charge. The motor runs at 3,800 RPM, making it capable of handling everything from hardwoods to baseboards with ease. The 7¼ blade and sliding capabilities provide excellent versatility, allowing crosscuts of up to 8 inches at 90 degrees. The lightweight design, combined with side carry handles, makes this saw incredibly easy to transport between job sites. It also features an LED cut line positioning system, which adds to its precision and visibility during cuts. However, the smaller blade size and battery-powered motor may not be ideal for heavy-duty tasks or cutting through thicker materials. This saw is perfect for contractors or DIYers who value mobility and convenience. The included battery and charger make it a complete package, but the price, not listed here, will likely place it in the mid to high range. Pros include portability, ease of use, and cordless operation. Cons are the smaller blade size and limited power compared to corded models. At number 3, we have the Skil 10-amp 7¼ single bevel miter saw. This saw is a great choice for users who need precision and compact design. One of its standout features is the LED shadow line, which provides a more accurate cutting guide than traditional lasers. The 10-amp motor delivers up to 4,800 RPM, making it powerful enough for most residential and light-duty professional applications. Additionally, the compact rail system allows for flush cutting against walls, which is a unique feature in this category. This saw is well designed with portability in mind, weighing just 36.6 pounds. The quick miter lock and work clamp make it user-friendly, while the 2x10 cutting capacity at 90 degrees ensures that it can handle larger pieces of lumber. However, the single bevel design limits its versatility for more complex angled cuts. At $219, it's an excellent value for the features it offers, particularly for DIYers or hobbyists who need a reliable yet portable tool. Pros include the LED shadow line, compact design, and solid cutting performance. Cons are the single bevel limitation and mid-range price point, which may put it out of reach for casual users. At number 2 is the Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw. This model is a fantastic, budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. With a 15-amp motor delivering 5,000 RPM, it's powerful enough to handle even tough cuts with ease. The saw features a 0 to 52-degree miter angle range and a 0 to 45-degree bevel range, making it versatile for a variety of woodworking projects. The thumb-actuated positive stops add convenience when adjusting angles. Weighing just 24.2 pounds, this saw is lightweight and portable, perfect for both job sites and home workshops. The large table provides excellent material support, and the included 24T TCT blade ensures clean, precise cuts out of the box. However, the single bevel and lack of sliding capabilities may limit its flexibility for more advanced tasks. At $99, this saw is an incredible value, particularly for beginners or budget-conscious buyers. It's backed by a 5-year warranty, which is a testament to its durability. Pros include affordability, portability, and solid performance. The only con is the lack of advanced features like sliding rails or dual bevel adjustments. Finally, at number 1, we have the Dewalt 12-inch single bevel compound miter saw. This premium tool offers the perfect balance of power, precision, and durability. Equipped with a 15-amp motor and a 12-inch carbide-tipped blade, it delivers 4,500 RPM for smooth and accurate cuts. The stainless steel miter D10 plate boasts 14 positive stops, ensuring precision for every cut. Additionally, the tall sliding fence supports 5/1/2-inch base molding vertically, making it ideal for crown molding and other detailed tasks. The build quality is exceptional, as you'd expect from Dewalt. At 42.8 pounds, it's more robust but still manageable for transport. The bevel range of 0 to 48 degrees to the left and 0 to 3 degrees to the right adds versatility, while the cross-cut capacity of 2x8 lumber at 90 degrees makes it suitable for heavy-duty projects. At $249, it's the most expensive option on this list, but it's well worth the investment for professionals and serious DIYers. Pros include unmatched cutting performance, durability, and versatility. The only con is the higher price point, but for what you're getting, it's a top-tier choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. If you have any questions about these miter saws, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, happy woodworking.